Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Steam Family invite error ineligible to join. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is log into the inviter's Steam account on their computer or any device connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Over here, accept the invite within that account session. After that, log out and log into your own account and the invite should be accepted. Then make sure both accounts are on the same network and in the same physical location when sending the invite. If it still doesn't work, log into the inviter's PC using your own Steam account and play a game for a minute or two. After that, switch back to the inviter's account and send the invite again. Then check if your account is under a cooldown from a previous Steam family, as you must wait a year before joining another. After that, if you're using a beta client, go to your client settings and opt into the Steam family's beta program. If nothing works, contact Steam support and explain your situation with account and household details. So that's basically how you can fix Steam family invite error ineligible to join. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.